Hey guys, how's it going? For those of you who are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Loretta and thanks for stopping by. I share all things lifestyle, DIYs, home finds, and honest reviews. On this channel, we keep it real with budget-friendly finds, hauls, and a little bit of fun. So if that's your vibe, make sure to stick around, and while you're here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy hauls like this. Today, I'm testing out this Plush foam headboard I found online, and trust me, I've got thoughts. We're about to find out if this headboard is really worth the hype. First things first, I've got to antibacterialize these babies. There are no germs allowed on my bed, okay? Oh yeah, stay tuned. This headboard, this is a plush pillow headboard and it's so comfortable. Oh my goodness, it's so comfortable. Needed to get a headboard for my bed, but I didn't want something that was going to be really bulky, so I went for this. I don't know why, but or maybe for those that have the cabinet, they can just put it around it. That's why they brought this, but I don't have that. So, and it's so soft and plush and comfortable, and I like, you know what I like about it, you can just open this and wash it. You have, I mean, you have all your cotton in there. Looks really soft, so you can just take everything out and wash it, or you can, I think it's machine wash. Yeah, I'm glad I bought this. Actually, I really needed it and I can't wait to use it. Look at that, isn't this beautiful? Don't you think so? Well, I think so. This goes, yeah, it's really nice. I love it. I'm really glad I ordered this because I needed it. Sweet dreams to me. Excited. Are you excited? Because I'm excited. Yeah, I'm gonna fix this and show you in a bit. Being a girly like me, I actually like to have, I don't know, I have a lot of pink stuff. It's amazing, eh? Yeah, this came in pink as well. So this is a curling rod. It's a flexible one, of course, so I'm yet to try that. It was actually a gift, I didn't buy it. Yeah. Okay, let's put this away because I'm not using it anytime soon. As you can see, my bubble hair done. My hair's in bubbles. Bubbles, 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 bubbles. Let me keep it here. Put these away. Yeah. Sometimes you say I play too much, but what can I do? The world is so serious. The world is too stressful to just live your life like a robot. So this fleece pant is very comfortable, and but it looks really small, but it's really stretches. Just that if you're ordering, you have to get your size. I ordered this in a medium size because I'm a medium. Yeah, so, but these pants are very good. The inside is already lined, and although it looks like your skin is gonna show, it's not really like that. It looks like that, but it's not. It's just, what you see is just the fleece line. It's just because it's lined with this color in there, as you can see. So it's not transparent. Yeah, I usually use this for layering. I mean, it saves you, eh? I have one on. I have this on before I have this pants on. So, I mean, the weather is transitioning to spring, but you can't risk it, can you? So I usually try as much as possible to make sure I'm pretty warm before I step outside. I went outside to get a few things done. So these fleece pants is a lifesaver in winter, especially if you're living in a country that is very cold, like extremely cold. The cold out here is not even a joke. It's not even funny. So these are your best friend. I have about, I think this is my third or fourth one. Hold on a second. So this is one of the first ones I bought, and I bought two of this, and I used the other one. I used one, and I think I overused it, and it's no longer, I can't use it anymore because I sort of misused it. So that's the second one. I haven't used it yet, but this year I think I used this a lot. This is really cute too. It's, so we have the lining, you have a dark color that's gonna reflect. It won't usually, I don't know if you can see the difference. Can you see the difference? This is darker and this is brown. Looks really brown. Yeah, so if you're ordering, make sure you know what to choose. See, that's the difference in it. I didn't know this was gonna come in this way, so I just ordered, but I think I prefer these ones because this one feels like it's your skin, but it's not actually your skin. Can you see? It looks like my hand, but that's not my hand. It's just a reflection, and it's not transparent. So yeah, a new one came in. I usually like to have multiple ones just in case, because I mean, you can't wear this all week. You might have to wash it. So if I wear this for the week, I might as well get another one for next week, or maybe change it, because I just get tired of wearing one thing all the time. This is the newest baby. Ooh, it's the newest one. I'm not trying that yet because I have this one that I'm starting to misuse it, so it's gonna go, and then I'll jump on. It's amazing how I didn't use this one. You know, this one came in a 2 set, right? So I used the first one, and that's the second one, and I haven't used it yet. And this one came in later, and I had actually used this one. I'm wondering. Anyways, so this is what it is. I think this is a little closer to this, but it's still not the same, although it looks the same. So yeah, I am ready. I'm always ready for winter, because winter is not a joke out here. If you live in a very cold country, you just have to prepare yourself, because it's not going to be nice to you. So just prepare yourself and live with it, and you will be happy. The quicker you adjust, the easier your life becomes in another man's country. Yeah, I said it. Choose